Ever noticed your once vibrant jade plant turning a sad shade of yellow? Well, don't worry because you're not alone. In this video, we are diving deep into why this happens and more importantly, how to fix it fast. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, your jade plant will be on its way back to lush, healthy green. Let's get started. Alright, so what are the top reasons jade plant leaves turn yellow? Let's break them down. Jade plants love light, and without enough sunlight, their leaves can start yellowing and even fall off. How to fix this? They need very bright light. If your plant is indoors, make sure it's receiving bright indirect sun for a whole day. Move your jade plant to a spot with bright indirect sunlight. You can place it near a south or west facing window where it can soak up enough rays without getting scorched. If you notice a leggy appearance along with yellowing leaves, that's a sign it's not getting enough light. Number 2. Overwatering. The most common culprit is overwatering. Jade plants are succulents, meaning they thrive on less water. When you overwater, their roots suffocate, and that's when the yellowing begins. How to fix it? To fix this, cut back on watering immediately. Only water when the soil is completely dry. Let the soil dry out 100%. You can use a chopstick to check the moisture in the pot. And remember, good drainage is key. Make sure your pot has drainage holes and never let the plant sit in water. Number 3. Underwatering. On the flip side, underwatering can also cause yellow leaves. When jade plants don't get enough water, they conserve energy by shedding older leaves, which can turn yellow first. How to fix this? Water consistently, but not too much. Aim for a regular schedule where you check the soil's dryness before giving it a drink. And during warmer months, increase watering frequency slightly as the plant will be using more moisture. Number 4. Nutrient deficiency. Another reason could be that your jade plant is lacking essential nutrients, especially if it's been in the same soil for a long time. How to fix this? Feed your jade plant with a balanced fertilizer every couple of months, especially during the growing season. Avoid over-fertilizing as this can lead to root burn and worsen the problem. Number 5. Stress from temperature changes. Jade plants are tough, but sudden changes in temperature like drafts or too much heat can shock the plant, leading to yellowing leaves. How to fix this? Keep your jade plant in a stable environment. Avoid placing it too close to drafty windows, heaters, or air conditioners. Ideal temperatures for jade plants are between 65 to 75. So to sum it all up, yellow leaves on your jade plant are not a death sentence. With a little love and care, adjusting your watering habits, providing the right amount of light, and ensuring the plant has the nutrients it needs, you'll have your jade thriving again in no time. And here is a pro tip. If you spot a yellow leaf, go ahead and gently remove it. This will let your plant focus its energy on the healthy leaves and new growth. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. Got any questions about your jade plant? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to help. See you in the next video. Stay green.